Since the dawn of space exploration, scientists have sought to understand how zero gravity affects living organisms. Animals have played a crucial role in space research, helping humanity prepare for the challenges of extraterrestrial environments. The absence of gravity introduces profound physiological and behavioral changes in animals sent to space. Experiments involving animals in microgravity provide valuable insights into how living organisms adapt to space conditions. The first living creature to orbit Earth was a Soviet dog named Laika aboard Sputnik 2 in 1957. Laika's tragic mission paved the way for understanding how biological systems respond to space travel. Before human astronauts, numerous animals including monkeys, mice, fish and insects were launched into space. These early missions revealed critical data about cardiovascular function, bone density loss, and muscle atrophy in microgravity. Without the force of gravity, animals experienced drastic shifts in fluid distribution within their bodies. The heart, accustomed to pumping blood against gravity, undergoes significant physiological changes in space. Microgravity affects the vestibular system, causing disorientation and motion sickness in many animals. Mammals, including humans, rely on gravity to regulate balance and coordination, but in space, this mechanism is disrupted. Fish exhibit altered swimming behavior in microgravity, often adopting a looping motion known as a looping response. Amphibians, such as frogs, struggle to orient themselves in space and display erratic movement patterns. Rodents sent to the International Space Station, ISS, have demonstrated muscle deterioration over time due to reduced physical strain. The absence of mechanical stress in microgravity leads to rapid bone density loss in animals. Mice in space show significant changes in gene expression related to bone formation and degradation. Studies on fruit flies have revealed that microgravity alters their immune response and metabolic processes. NASA has used jellyfish to study how weightlessness affects the development of gravity-sensing organs. Space-bred jellyfish develop abnormally, struggling to navigate correctly upon returning to Earth. Spiders in microgravity weave asymmetrical and irregular webs compared to their Earth-based counterparts. Water surface tension becomes a dominant force for aquatic animals in space, altering their movement and feeding behavior. The reproductive systems of animals in microgravity exhibit unusual changes that raise questions about long-term space colonization. Some studies suggest that microgravity impairs fertility and embryonic development in certain species. Japanese Medica fish aboard the ISS have provided crucial data on how zero gravity impacts vertebrate reproduction. Microgravity affects circadian rhythms in animals, disrupting their sleep-wake cycles. Rodents in space exhibit changes in behavior, including increased stress and altered social interactions. Long-term exposure to microgravity weakens immune system responses in animals, making them more susceptible to infections. NASA's rodent research program has been instrumental in studying the biological effects of prolonged space travel. Spaceflight impacts gene expression, leading to significant cellular and molecular adaptations. Scientists have observed that stem cells behave differently in microgravity, influencing tissue repair and regeneration. The absence of gravity affects brain function, potentially altering cognition and decision-making abilities in animals. Microgravity reduces mechanical loading on bones, leading to rapid calcium loss and skeletal weakening. The digestive systems of animals function differently in space due to changes in peristalsis and enzyme activity. Microgravity experiments involving plants and animals help scientists understand fundamental biological processes. Understanding how zero gravity affects animals is crucial for planning future human space missions to Mars and beyond. Research on animal adaptation in space has led to medical advancements, including osteoporosis treatments. The study of microgravity effects on animals has applications in aging research and muscle degeneration diseases. Space agencies continue to refine experimental designs to mitigate the negative impacts of zero gravity on living organisms. The development of artificial gravity systems could provide solutions for long-duration space missions. NASA, ESA, and Roscosmos collaborate on biological studies to improve astronaut health and safety. The ongoing Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon, making animal research in space more relevant than ever. With advancements in biotechnology, scientists are exploring genetic modifications to enhance resilience in space environments. Understanding how animals adapt to zero gravity provides crucial insights into the future of interplanetary colonization. The knowledge gained from animal experiments in space contributes to the broader understanding of life's adaptability. As humanity ventures further into the cosmos, studying the biological effects of microgravity remains a scientific priority. The intersection of space biology and medicine holds promise for groundbreaking discoveries in both fields. The legacy of animal research in space underscores the importance of ethical considerations in scientific exploration. As space agencies prepare for longer missions, the study of zero-gravity effects on animals will remain essential. The future of space exploration depends on our ability to understand and mitigate the challenges posed by microgravity. With each mission, scientists uncover new aspects of how life responds to the extreme conditions of space. Animal experiments in space have illuminated the profound impact of microgravity on biological systems. The effects of zero gravity on animals mirror many of the physiological challenges faced by human astronauts. As we push the boundaries of space travel, the role of animals in scientific research continues to be invaluable. Every new discovery brings us closer to ensuring the safety and well-being of future space explorers. The knowledge gained from these studies may one day pave the way for sustainable human habitation beyond Earth. The vastness of space presents both extraordinary challenges and unprecedented opportunities for scientific advancement. Understanding zero gravity's effects is a critical step toward unlocking the mysteries of long-term space survival. Future interplanetary missions will depend on the ability to mitigate the detrimental effects of microgravity on the body. With each experiment, we move one step closer to making deep space travel a reality for future generations. The resilience and adaptability of animals serve as a testament to the potential for life beyond our planet. As technology advances, scientists are exploring how animals might serve as biological models for space-based life support systems. Microgravity has been shown to impact the way certain genes are expressed in spacefaring animals. Studying animals in space has helped improve medical treatments for osteoporosis, muscle wasting, and immune disorders on Earth. Space-based animal research has provided insights into cardiovascular health, leading to better treatments for heart disease. The study of space's impact on animals contributes to our understanding of aging and its effects on the human body. Gravity plays a crucial role in cell growth and development, which could affect regenerative medicine. Learning how animals adapt to zero gravity informs the design of astronaut training programs for long-term space missions. Microgravity's impact on the nervous system could influence therapies for neurodegenerative diseases. Research on how animals respond to spaceflight may lead to innovative solutions for muscle atrophy on Earth. The ability of some animals to adapt to weightlessness provides clues about evolution's role in shaping life on Earth. If humans are to become an interplanetary species, the lessons learned from space-bound animals will be indispensable. With ongoing research, space agencies continue to refine life support systems that ensure the survival of living organisms in space. The effects of zero gravity extend beyond physiology, influencing the very way living organisms perceive their environment. As we strive to establish colonies on Mars and beyond, understanding the impact of zero gravity will be key. The study of animals in space remains a fundamental step in paving the way for future interstellar travel. In the end, the journey to the stars is not just about technology, but also about understanding the biological challenges of weightlessness. The legacy of animals in space exploration continues to inspire new generations of scientists, astronauts, and spacefarers. As humanity sets its sights on deep space missions, the lessons learned from these animals will be invaluable. Their sacrifices have shaped the course of space exploration and continue to guide scientific discovery. The knowledge gained from studying animals in space is laying the groundwork for the future of human spaceflight. The insights gathered from these experiments are helping us build a future where humans can live and thrive beyond Earth. Through the study of animals in microgravity, we unlock the secrets of adaptation and survival in space. The future of interstellar travel depends on what we learn from the animal pioneers of space exploration. The knowledge gained from these experiments is instrumental in developing countermeasures against space-induced health issues. Zero gravity presents a myriad of challenges, but understanding its effects on animals brings us one step closer to conquering them.